The British International School of New York is an IB nursery 3-year 9 school and a Cambridge IGCSE high school. In the MYP, subjects are taught using the IB learner profile traits. Bisney is situated on the east side of Manhattan, overlooking the East River. Every year, there is a STEAM project for years 8 and 9, with awards going out to the best 3.
My inquiry is, what's the least pollutive light bulb you can buy? The main point from my research is that the incandescent bulb uses a lot of electricity because it produces a lot of heat. And more electricity is worse for the environment because, based on my research, less electricity is better for the environment. Now, the LED bulb lasts for 25,000 hours compared to the incandescent bulb, which only lasts for 1,200 hours. Now, the LED bulb uses less electricity and it lasts for longer, which means less money to pay, and it's more sustainable for the environment. Now, finally, the CFL bulb could be sustainable, but also very hazardous because it includes elements such as mercury, and if you treat it carelessly and it drops, the mercury could spill into the environment and result in suffocation. So my results are: the LED bulb uses only 7.5 watts, the incandescent bulb uses 30.6 watts, and finally the CFL bulb uses 12.1 watts. In conclusion, this was a very interesting investigation. 3 bulbs were tested to see how much power they used. At the start, volts were used, but it was discovered that if all bulbs were at the same brightness, they would produce the same voltage. Now, these results were mostly expected based on previous research, but what was really surprising is that the CFL bulb uses only 12.1 watts, but when I thought it would use around 20 because of the hazardous materials it includes, but it only uses half of what was predicted. Now, the incandescent bulb uses a lot of heat, which means it would use a lot of electricity, and the LED bulb, based on previous research, uses less electricity and lasts for longer. And now, to make this a fair test, I had all bulbs at the same brightness and I wouldn't touch it, and I marked all of the bulbs at 1 minute.